What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, period. Today's video is going to be a declutter clean my room with me. So it's basically like a spring cleaning because, you know, spring is here and I got a bunch of new clothes and I got to get rid of so much stuff. Let's just get straight to the video because I just want to get this over with. But stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First, I think I'm gonna start off with my closet because that way I can get rid of a bunch of stuff and then all my new clothes I can hang up. Or, you know, I think it'd just make the process a little bit faster. So I'm gonna show you guys my closet right now. So I'm not gonna lie, my closet is a mess, but this is just, it's, you know, a bunch of stuff. Don't mind this, we're gonna clean this all up, okay? But this is it, and then I have my shoes down here. Yeah, so that's my closet. So I'm just gonna get straight to that because we need to speed this process up.
We're riding around the love, riding around the trip, riding around the dick, riding around the slap, you know, the break, don't wanna fit, riding around the world, riding around, talk to me, oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. You do know we'll never fall out of love with you.
Okay guys, so this is what my closet is looking like so far. So I just organized a bunch of clothes and I have this I'm selling, this I'm just gonna take to Goodwill, and I still have to go through more clothes. So I have that box, but I don't know if I'm gonna put that up yet because I still have to do a haul video. I do have to go through this box of clothes and start hanging that up. So I'm just gonna go through those clothes and then I'm gonna finish organizing my closet and do up here and up there too. And I'm also gonna go through some shoes. I'm not fully done with my closet, but for the clothes part, I'm basically done. I just have to just organize some things like the perfumes I showed you guys. But right now, I'm just going to get these out of the way. So that stuff I'm selling, I'm just gonna put it all in a garbage bag and get to it. Maybe at the end of this video, maybe next weekend, I don't know. And then I have clothes over here that I'm selling. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do that and put it all in different trash bags. Okay guys, so we are in my closet right now and this part is done and I'll show you guys that all after. But right now I'm just gonna go through these shoes and start giving them away. These I'm selling, so if you want these, let me know. They've only been worn on like once. So I'm just gonna get started on these shoes and yeah.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Okay, y'all. So I finished my little shoe rack, as you guys seen, and now I'm going to do something with these purses. So I have these two little pins, and I'm just gonna try to hang them up right here and see how they look. So yeah, and I'm gonna be redoing my room like a different color, like a room transformation. So I'm gonna probably get like some stuff to organize this stuff and make it look all cute. But for now, they're getting hung up.
Isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder. Baby, I wonder.
Okay guys, so next is this whole thing. So I'm just gonna throw out perfumes I don't want and just go through everything like this bag, and that'll really help this closet because a lot of it's done over here, and then I'm just gonna do the top of it after. And yeah, I started around 12 something and it's about to be 3 o'clock. We're kind of almost done, kind of, but let's just get this out the way.
Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a
I did a whole lot of cleaning. Now I'm gonna just start wiping down things. So wipe down my dresser and my nightstand over there, vacuuming and dusting and stuff like that. And then I will be fully done because I did a whole lot today.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder.
So I'm just gonna take everything off of my dresser. And the reason I really didn't do a lot of my drawers in this video is because I had went through them like a few weeks ago. So they're all pretty organized. The most I needed to do was my closet and yeah, and just hanging up other clothes. I don't know about you guys, but like, I don't know for your vanities or just some dressers, I like to go in with a makeup wipe. I don't know if this is bad for like my dresser, but honestly, it gets a lot of this stuff off, like the makeup and everything. Now I'm just gonna put everything back.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let.
The next thing I have to do is just take out my trashes in my room, and then I'll pretty much be ready to just be done with this cleaning video.
Do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
Now I'm just gonna light some candles, and that will be the final touches.
Yeah, just say you will. Come through and chill.
Okay guys, so that is the end of the cleaning video. I'm gonna show you guys my room and my closet now that it is all done. So over here in this corner, as you can see that before I had a bunch of jackets and stuff, I just decluttered it all, and then I'm just gonna put some spring clothes. For now I just have these ones up, but I'm gonna put more down here. I just have some shoe boxes that aren't gonna fit in there, and then right here, this will be gone soon. I just have to do a haul video on that. And in the closet, before it was color coded from red all the way down to black, but right now I have extra hangers right here, and then I did it from white, gray, browns, and then colors, and then some jeans. And then before I had just a bunch of different shoes, but I organized it with some heels. And then up here I just have some purses and hats, and back there is just some other stuff, but it's organized back there. And then you already know how this looked before, so it's just more clean. And then my vision board for 2022 is right there, and me, my mom and sister, and my dresser. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
All night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder.